how to learn English grammar. This is the easiest way. Don't stress too much. Today, we're going to talk about something that a lot of people struggle with: grammar. And let me be honest with you from the beginning. A lot of you are overthinking it. A lot of you are stressing about it. And some of you are even afraid of it. But here's the truth I want you to understand first. Grammar is not your enemy. And also, grammar is not magic. It's just a system. That's it. Part 1. The truth about grammar. Let's talk honestly for a second. Many people think, I need to learn all grammar rules before I can speak. That's wrong. Completely wrong. Think about this. When children learn English, do they study grammar books? No. They listen. They copy. They make mistakes. And slowly, they improve. So what does that tell you? You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. But, and this is important, you cannot ignore grammar forever. Because grammar helps you speak clearly, avoid confusion, sound more natural, be understood easily. So yes, you don't need to be perfect, but yes, you still need to learn it. Part 2. Why people fail at grammar. Let me tell you why most people fail. They do this: memorize rules, study complicated books, never practice in real life, and then they say, I understand, but I can't speak. That's the problem. They learn grammar like a subject instead of using it like a skill. Grammar is like driving a car. You don't learn driving by reading 500 pages. You learn by doing it. Part 3. The easiest way to learn grammar. Now let me show you the easiest way. Simple, practical, real. Step 1. Learn small, not everything. Don't try to learn all grammar at once. Focus on one small thing at a time. For example, today, present simple. Tomorrow, past simple. Next day, questions. That's it. Small steps win. Step 2. Use real sentences. Don't just read rules. Learn sentences like, I go to work every day. She likes coffee. We watch TV at night. Repeat them. Say them out loud. This is how your brain learns patterns. Step 3. Copy native speakers. Watch videos. Listen to conversations. And don't just watch, copy them. Pause. Repeat. Speak. Example, you hear, what are you doing? You repeat, what are you doing? Again and again. This builds natural grammar in your mind. Step 4. Speak even if it's wrong. This is the hardest part for many people. You are afraid to make mistakes, but listen carefully. Mistakes are part of learning. Say something like, yesterday I go to work. Is it perfect? No. But you are communicating, and slowly it becomes, yesterday I went to work. That's progress. Step 5. Fix one mistake at a time. Don't try to fix everything. Pick one mistake and focus on it. Example, you always say, he go to work. Fix only this. He goes to work. Practice it until it becomes natural. Then move to the next thing. Part 4. Simple grammar you must know first. If you want a strong foundation, focus on these. 1. Present simple, I work, she works. 2. Past simple, I worked, I went. 3. Basic questions, do you work? Where do you live? 4. Be verb, am, is, are, I am tired, she is happy. If you master these, you can already speak a lot. Part 5, for example. Instead of learning rules, just learn this. I wake up at 7. I go to work. I eat lunch. I come home. Now change it to past. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I ate lunch. I came home. You see? You're learning grammar without stress. Part 6, final advice. Listen carefully. If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak. If you accept mistakes, you will improve fast. So from today, don't fear grammar, don't rush grammar, use grammar every day. even 10 minutes. That's enough. And finally, if you want to improve your English in a simple, real way, this channel is for you. We don't complicate things here. We make it clear. We make it useful. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.